This PlayStation made in all the way from Colorado, Sterling, Fabian Ramirez. I think they tried to fix this by cleaning, but they ripped the wire right here. As you see, it broke from the main board, so the fan doesn't work. And other thing, when you turn it on, it doesn't display anything on TV. I'm guessing HDMI is also broken too. I'm gonna go ahead, show you on the TV what the problem is, and we're gonna fix it and ship back to him. Watch until the end. All right, we are testing now. Before we start, make sure it's still working. You see the blue light? PlayStation turned on. No signal on TV. Obviously, fan doesn't work. I'm gonna wait until the white light. All right, it turned on now, but nothing coming. Nothing coming. So we're gonna see. At least he cleaned a little bit. Surgery time. He's missing this screw. Oh, yo. Look at the dust inside. Oh, yo. Look at his liquid thermal. He'll barely have nothing left. It's all dried out. We're gonna replace this and a new one. And we are going to change his HDMI and see if it's going to work. And clean up all this dust, because it will cause overheating issue. Look at all this. Look at this power supply. All dusty. I'm gonna change the HDMI and fix this issue now, the fan issue. Otherwise, PlayStation will overheat. So that needs to go there, resolder. I'm gonna test and see if it's gonna work before we put everything. All right, as you see now fan started spinning, so it works. Look at that, look at that. Now we're gonna work on the HDMI. So this is under UV light now. We're gonna let the glue dry. Nice and clean now. Time to assemble everything now. Look at that. How clean is this now? Bismillah. Moment of the truth. Let's test and see if it's gonna work. All right, let's test this now. See if it's working. Turn it on. Fan is spinning. That's a good sign. Let's see the light. It's blue now. There you go. It's white. PlayStation turned on. There you go. Your PlayStation is ready, sir. Now it's good to go. It's clean, brand new basically. We fixed the fan, we fixed the HDMI, cleaned the whole thing, replaced the thermal, liquid thermal, and it's good to go. That's how we do it. If you need your PlayStation or Xbox repair, you know where to come. I don't need to tell you.